Have you ever noticed a soft, yet persistent sound coming from your bathroom, almost like a whisper, but one that never seems to stop? It can be a little unnerving, and you might wonder what is going on behind the porcelain. That constant hissing sound in your toilet is almost always a sign of a small, steady water leak. It means that water is continuously flowing, even when the toilet tank appears full, and it is usually caused by one of the internal components not sealing correctly. Understanding why this happens comes down to how your toilet operates. When you flush, water leaves the tank and a refill cycle begins. The fill valve, also known as the ball cock assembly, is responsible for refilling the tank to a specific water level and then shutting off the water supply. A hissing sound often points to an issue with this fill valve. It might be worn out, misaligned, or have a faulty diaphragm seal, preventing it from completely closing the water flow. Another common culprit is the flapper valve, which is the rubber or plastic seal at the bottom of the tank that opens to let water into the bowl and then closes. If this flapper is old, stiff, or has sediment build up around its edge, it will not create a watertight seal, allowing water to slowly seep into the bowl. This constant trickle causes the fill valve to cycle on and off intermittently to maintain the tank's water level, leading to that characteristic hissing sound. To figure out the exact source of the hiss, you can perform a quick check. First, take the lid off your toilet tank. If the water level is constantly hovering near the top of the overflow tube, or if you can see a slight ripple or movement, it is likely the fill valve is failing to shut off completely. If the water level seems correct, try adding a few drops of food coloring to the tank water. Do not flush. Wait about 15 to 20 minutes. If you see colored water in the toilet bowl, then your flapper valve is the problem, allowing water to slowly leak out of the tank. This constant running, even if it is just a trickle, can waste thousands of gallons of water per year. The fill valve and flapper are both relatively inexpensive and straightforward to replace components, commonly found at hardware stores. Identifying the correct type for your toilet can be as simple as taking a photo of the inside of your tank or noting the toilet brand. Addressing that persistent hissing sound quickly helps you avoid unnecessary water waste and higher utility bills, ensuring your plumbing system runs efficiently and quietly. It brings peace of mind and keeps your home running smoothly.